Alright guys, today I wanted to do a full unboxing and review on my TenHutt 9.6 amps per hour replacement battery for a lot of your DeWalt drills. So I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the packaging, and I could just tell you it's a big boy right here. It's going to carry a lot more power than your traditional one. It lasts you a lot longer. The front of the battery has 3 LED indicators that lets you know when it's time to charge up again. So the other thing it does come with, just in case you wanted to know, it does come with a small user manual, but it should be just a plug and play. So I'm going to go ahead and try it out with one of my first drills that I got on here, see if it just pops in there, which it does. And I'll let you kind of hear it. Yeah, so that's way more powerful than what it comes with. And like I said, this isn't just a regular replacement. This is a top A grade lithium-ion. It runs 4 times longer and stronger than your original battery on a full charge. So let's try it out on the second drill. Yeah, this battery is really solid. The other thing that I wanted to point out, it is also UL certified, and that's one of the few replacement batteries out there that actually have this kind of certification. Now, in order to charge it, you're going to use your traditional DeWalt charger, and bam, as you can see, it starts charging right away. The other cool thing about their charging is that it's actually a faster charger on it. So if you're looking for a great replacement, highly recommend. 10 out of 10.